Hey guys, so today I have another video for you. So basically I wanna let you know what I've been up to lately, and I also have a new project on the hand. And yeah, let's get this show on the road. So yeah, I had to change camera for the second, but this is the new project. This is well, it's not finished yet. It's basically a circular saw on a wooden frame, and I just drag it out of the barn. Its legs are all rotten. Basically, I'm trying to get this blade off, so I'm gonna weld this nut here, and so yeah, I hope this kind of holds, because this blade is rusted shut pretty much. And what I'm planning to do is build a new steel frame for it with guide protection for the blade and everything. I have a small motor left from the bandsaw mill, the 6.5 horsepower. So I'm hoping this will be enough to power this circular saw to cut firewood. But yeah, currently I'm trying to get this steel shaft, pulley and blade off. I'm hoping that I can salvage these bearings. They seem to be working fine. Oh, but there is slight resistance, so I might have to take the bearings apart. Maybe the old grease in there is kinda not doing its job. And so yeah, whoops, kinda wrong way there. Okay, that's nice. Anyway, that's that. But I did get a new engine for the bandsaw mill. This is a 13 horsepower engine now, and it works a lot better than the 6.5 horsepower. Its RPMs are slower and it has a lot more torque. And I also ditched the clutch, circular or centrifugal clutch. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but yeah, and went with a simple pulley, and also a hand clutch here. This is the belt will ride on these bearings, and then I can kinda lock it in place with this thing here. It works pretty well. But yeah, I haven't really changed anything else about the bandsaw because it's working. Also, I did order new tires for the bed, so in the matter of few weeks I should get my new steel tires, so they can run on the side of the support beam here. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Oh, I also did get a set of new tires for the tractor. Now both front and rear wheels have brand new tires. So yeah, that's okay, I guess. And yeah, I did buy the steel to build my own front end loader for this tractor. So that's a project for the summer, because I don't like really welding in the winter. Yeah, it kind of sucks. So okay, so yeah, been roughly 3 or 4 hours now, and I got the frame done. Welded a quick frame for it. Also, I did use the old bearings, like I said, and I hope they will be okay. Currently it feels pretty smooth, but these old bearings have one drawback. They don't like working on the angle. They only want a straight line, because if I even slightly put it off angle, it started to rub against this hub, and it wouldn't basically move at all, but currently I managed to get it pretty straight. I think it's pretty smooth right now. Yeah, but for next step I need a pulley here, and also I'm gonna need to kind of figure out what the RPM should be on this shaft before I buy the pulley. But I quickly made a engine mount also. Just kind of easy kind of scrap metal kind of deal going on here. And yeah, I have a belt also, as you can see. That's pretty good, I suppose. So I need to figure out the pulley size for this shaft, and then I'm gonna think if I'm gonna add any more weight to this shaft, because if there is the flywheel kind of deal is more heavy on this shaft, then I have more power cutting. And yeah, I figured out the ideal cutting surface area should be somewhere from here to down here. So a maximum diameter would be like 20 centimeters or something like that. But I don't think I will be cutting this thick logs with this anyway. More like kind of smaller deals. And yeah, this is a pretty quick framework that I welded together, and hopefully next week I have another update for this. And yeah, if engine works correctly and nothing kind of blows apart, then I'm gonna build some safety measures around the blade and around the belt, the engine and the shaft. And yeah, then I'm gonna paint it, and yeah, then it's probably gonna sit like a couple of years before I use it, but whatever, don't really care. So yeah, okay, bye for now.